updated. The Shubham Charitable Association (SHA) is trying to promote menstrual hygiene by encouraging use of reusable fresh pads which are environment friendly. The association recently conducted a special 2-day training session on making menstrual pads or sanitary pads. The training, funded by the Chief Minister's scheme, was aimed specifically at women from rural areas. Women from 6 different districts of the state participated in the training. The initiative not only promotes menstrual hygiene but also reduces waste associated with single-use products, contributing to a cleaner environment.
Shubham Charitable Association, it's from last 26 years we are working here, and this sanitary pad we are started from last 2020, and this is for the environment, especially ladies in rural areas, villages. They don't know how to use sanitary pads, and whatever we are using this sanitary pad, whispers, sanitaries, these are 50 rupees per month, and while we are making this sanitary pad, these are 200 to 250, and we can use this for 3 to 4 years for safety purpose and for environment also. These fresh pads are more safer than this whisper and stay free.
The